Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the Roblox Studio and it shows Studio failed to fetch configuration settings. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this error message in my Windows 10 PC. At same time this trick also works on Windows 7, Windows 8 and upcoming Windows 11 also. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method to fix this error is just open your local disk C. So here you can click to enable all the hidden items and then go to users folder. So here I try to access my Windows username folder and the first one and then locate app data and click to open it and it shows 3 subfolders, but you can click to access local folder. So finally here you can locate the Roblox folder and click to open it. So now this time you can click to access versions folder and finally you can click to delete these 3 Roblox installation folders. So once you done these processes, just close all the windows and one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now I try to access the Roblox official website. So here I try to play the one Roblox game, but it asks for the Roblox Studio download process. So just click to download it. So once the downloading process is completed, now I try to install this Roblox player and it starts to installing. And the installation is completed successfully, so you can click to OK. And one more time I try to play that same Roblox game, so you can press this play button and it asks for the Roblox access permission, so you can select open Roblox. But friends, now this time you can see my Roblox Studio is opening very smoothly and it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.